Good morning, students. Today we'll learn about matrices. Now, what are matrices? That whenever we arrange elements in rectangular form, then that is said to be a matrices. For example, let A be any matrix. Every matrix is denoted by a capital letter, is given by square brackets, and here the elements are present. Suppose I enclosed 1, 2, 3, 4. So, horizontal lines, they are called rows, and vertical lines, they are called columns. Moving on further, the general notation of any matrix is given by A is equals to, within square brackets, Aij. Now what does A denote over here? A denotes the element, I denote row number, and J denote column number. And along with that we have M cross N. Now what is this M cross N? This is order of matrix. Now how to find that of which order our matrices is? Suppose our matrix contain 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of rows 1, 2. So we'll write 2. Number of columns 1, 2. Multiply 2. So this letter, that is M, and this letter is denoted by N in the general notation, is the number of rows and number of columns present in that particular matrices. Now we have types of matrices. We have many types of matrices. The most common are, first is row matrix. Now what does a row matrix mean? That whenever the number of rows, that is M, is equivalent to 1, then that particular matrix is said to be row matrix. For example, any matrix like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a row matrix. Now why? As the number of rows is 1 and number of columns is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its order is 1:n, where n is number of columns. Moving on, the next type of matrices is column matrix. Now what does a column matrix mean? Whenever number of columns, that is n, is equivalent to 1, then that particular matrix is said to be column matrix. For example, any matrices containing like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this contain only one column and 4 rows. Then it is said to be like this ratio, where 4 denotes, that is M, that is the number of rows, and number of columns, that N, will remain 1 only in case of column matrix. The next is horizontal matrix. A matrix is said to be horizontal in nature if number of columns, that is N, is greater than number of rows, that is M. So whenever N is greater than M, then that particular matrix is said to be horizontal matrix. And if I talk of vertical matrix, that is whenever number of rows, that is value M, is greater than number of columns, that is N. Moving on, the most important type, that is square matrix. Now which matrix is said to be square matrix? Whenever number of rows is equivalent to number of columns, then that particular matrix is said to be square matrix. Next is diagonal matrix. Now what do you mean by diagonal matrix? That is, it is a special type of square matrix in which all diagonal elements are not zero and rest all are zero. For example, diagonal elements, that is 1, 1, and rest elements are 0. So these are the diagonal elements that are not 0 and rest all the elements are 0. Suppose if I talk of 3 by 3 order, then 1, 1, 1 and rest elements they are 0. Then that particular matrix is said to be diagonal matrix. Next is identity matrix. Now what does identity matrix mean? It means a square matrix in which all diagonal elements they are exactly 1. Exactly 1. For example, 1, 1, 0, 0. This is an identity matrix. As well, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. That is also an identity matrix. Next is null matrix. Now what is null matrix? When all elements in matrix is 0, then that particular matrix is said to be null matrix. And the last is scalar matrix. Now what does a scalar matrix mean? In which all diagonal elements, a square matrix in which all diagonal elements they are same. That is any number 1, 2, 3 or any expression. They are same. We'll continue with the rest of the chapter in the next clipping.